Alrighty, it's now Monday. I'm going to be focusing on getting a couple levels built for the game this week, so that way I can start to figure out which systems are working and which systems aren't. I think that's going to be really crucial for figuring out what the game is going to evolve to be, and I think it's going to be the best course of action is just to start getting into the actual playable features in the game. I do have a game jam at the end of this week. It's the first one that I'm ever going to be doing, so I'll take you guys along with me for that, but I think this week's going to be a good one. Let's get into it. Alrighty, it's Monday afternoon, and this is what I have. It's a slightly updated version of the previous level. I just have an updated camera system mostly, and updated models a tiny bit. The other big thing is now it's a physics-based movement system instead of a transformation-based movement system, which is pretty cool. Now I don't get any weird jittering when there's collision. But other than that, it's pretty much just been trying to play with different art styles and see what I like for the day. I'm not really happy with what I have yet, but I've definitely learned a lot about 3D modeling today, so that's a big bonus, and gonna continue to work on it a lot. Looking forward to it. Alrighty, it's Wednesday, and today is all about menus. I'm gonna make a start menu, pause menu, and an end menu, and we'll see where we're at the end of the day, but that's the goal. Alright, here we are in Unity with a really basic menu system. There's a main menu, a pause menu, and if we win the game, which is only one level right now, then it takes us to the thank you for playing menu, which will take us back to the main menu. Currently there's only one level, but that's kind of my plan for the rest of the week now, is to add that, and then it'll be on to polishing the game. Alrighty, it's now Thursday, and today is an interesting day. Yesterday, I didn't really get a whole lot done. I haven't been feeling super motivated to work on Domino Dash since I finished the menu stuff on Tuesday. I feel like I've learned what I wanted to learn from it, which was just the very basics of Unity and implementing my own systems. I'm not super excited about the mechanics of that game anymore either, which is a big deal. I think it's good to be really excited about what you're working on, and that's something I've always tried to do, is be excited about what I'm working on. Today I'm going to finish the last couple of levels for it. I just want to add 2 more levels to have an actual game that I can show as like this was the first step in my journey. But after today, I'm not going to continue to work on it. I'm going to switch gears to some other project. So it's the end of day on Thursday, and Domino Dash is as done as it's going to get, at least for right now. I'm pretty happy with where it's at, and it was actually a pretty good learning experience about just the way that all the different parts of games interact with each other. Today I only really had to fix one major bug, which was a physics-based issue. I just needed to move all the physics functions into the fixed update loop in Unity instead of the normal update loop, but other than that, the development of Domino Dash has been really smooth. I think I need to lean into programming a little bit more on my future projects, so I'm going to keep that in mind going forward, but I'm really happy with the way that this one turned out, even though it's really simple and not polished at all. I learned a lot. I learned exactly what I wanted to learn. I now have the fundamentals of Unity down. And I don't know, it feels good to have something to show off. So a link to the download will be in the description as well. And look for my first ever Game Jam video coming out early next week, where I'll show you the development process that I go through over the next intense 3 days of programming a game from start to finish in 72 hours. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.